Do you ever wonder if your money is doing good in the world, or if it's silently funding industries you fundamentally disagree with? It's a question many of us grapple with as ethical considerations increasingly intertwine with our financial decisions. Today, we're diving into Raiz, the popular micro-investing app, to explore a crucial aspect: is Raiz ethical? For those unfamiliar, Raiz, formerly Acorns, is a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest spare change from your everyday purchases. It rounds up transactions to the nearest dollar and invests the difference into diversified portfolios. It's designed to make investing accessible, even for beginners with small amounts of money. But accessibility doesn't always equate to ethical alignment. So, how does Raiz approach ethical investing? The good news is, Raiz offers a specific portfolio designed with ethical considerations in mind, the Emerald Portfolio. This portfolio focuses on environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, principles. ESG investing is about selecting companies that demonstrate strong performance in these areas. Environmental factors might include a company's carbon footprint or waste management. Social factors look at things like labor practices, diversity, and community engagement. Governance refers to a company's leadership, executive pay, audits, and shareholder rights. The Raiz Emerald Portfolio invests in ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that are screened using both positive and negative criteria. Positive screening means actively seeking out companies with good ESG practices, such as those with a low carbon footprint or a diverse board. Negative screening, on the other hand, excludes companies involved in industries widely considered unethical, like tobacco, gambling, or fossil fuels. For instance, the Emerald Portfolio includes the Russell Investments Australian Responsible Investment ETF and the BetaShares Global Sustainability Leaders ETF, which explicitly exclude companies with significant exposure to fossil fuels or activities inconsistent with responsible investment. This sounds promising, right? Raiz is certainly making an effort to cater to ethically minded investors. They're transparent about the ETFs within their Emerald Portfolio, and these ETFs are managed by external providers who apply their own rigorous ESG screening processes. For many, this dedicated ethical option is a significant step forward in making responsible investing more mainstream. However, it's also important to understand the limitations. While Raiz offers an ethical portfolio, it's just one option among several. If you choose a different standard portfolio, your investments won't necessarily be screened for ESG factors. Raiz's core philosophy is about automated, regular investing through dollar-cost averaging, which aims to mitigate market volatility over the long term. Their primary focus is on making investing simple and accessible. Furthermore, the definition of ethical can be highly personal. While the Emerald Portfolio excludes certain industries, it's worth noting that even companies within ethical sectors might have complex supply chains or indirect associations that some individuals might find problematic. It's always a good idea to delve deeper into the holdings of any ETF to ensure they align with your specific values. Raiz provides product disclosure statements, PDS, for all their portfolios, which detail the underlying investments. Ultimately, whether Raiz is ethical for you depends on your individual definition and priorities. If you value a simple, automated way to invest with a readily available ethical option that screens out common-sense stocks and promotes ESG principles, then Raiz Emerald Portfolio is a strong contender. It democratizes access to socially responsible investing, allowing you to align your investments with your values, even with small contributions. However, if you have very specific and nuanced ethical requirements, you may need to conduct further research into the underlying assets or consider platforms that offer more granular control over individual stock selection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.